My dear brothers and sisters, today's gospel passage we heard two incidents in the life of Jesus, both happening in Jerusalem or around Jerusalem. And these are thought-provoking and have a message for us. The first is regarding the fig tree. We heard Jesus was hungry and went to the tree, but there was no figs on the tree. And Mark tells it was not the time for the tree to produce fruit. We wonder why Jesus cursed the tree. What is the message for us? We are like the fig tree, planted on this earth. God takes care of us and gives us abundant talents so that our life may produce fruit. We don't know when people will come to ask for the fruit. We need to be constantly, at all times, whole day and night, produce fruit so that when people come to us for help, whatever it is, we should be able to help it. For this reason, we need to be constantly in touch with Jesus. He should be in us and we should be in Him. And this can be done through prayer, through reading scriptures, reflecting over it. So when we are in touch with Jesus all day and night, we begin to produce fruit. We ask ourselves, do we wait for the time to give fruits? Like the fig tree was waiting for the time to give fruits. Or are we all the time willing to help others who come to ask us for help?